Hello, Cluster One. I'm going to try to kick off this week with another little song. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. That is super old school. That was around before I was even born. But it is Sunday, it is raining, and it does look like a kind of rainy week. But I think sometimes we all need to sing in the rain. Before I get started, as I was getting in my comfy clothes to record this and say hello to everybody, I want to give a shout out to Will Carty. Little Celtics action going on. Rumor has it, Will, that and everybody else, that they may be back practicing on Friday. So maybe we will get to watch some basketball on TV during this pandemic craziness. So this week, just like last week, we're going to keep rolling with some new stuff, talking about data about us. And this week we're going to be having some new vocabulary words. So you're going to see on the new learning requirements that there's a data vocabulary reference sheet for you to use, and just use it to complete the Google form so that you get the whole Google form right. No problem. We want you to learn the words, hear them. The word of the week is going to be the interquartile range. Yikes. And before you forget anything, when you think of interquartile range in your brain, blazon the word median. It's all about the median, the middle values, okay? So you will not be calculating the means of all the numbers this week. You'll be focusing on the middle value. Yes, you might have to calculate that, but it should be okay. All right, and the directions are everywhere you go. So for this week, you'll have a quick review. You can watch this screencast and head over to the decimal operations review in IXL. And then all the new stuff this week that I just mentioned to you, the interquartile range, some things on Khan Academy, and then some learning extensions for you to give a try. I added some new stuff that you could do with your family. Figure this. Make sure you have a writing utensil and paper handy. I did. And then I'm still talking about 24. I like it. It's a great game. And you get to make a monster too. So give it a try. All right. Shout out to all you WMS Cluster 1. I miss you guys. I'll see you on Zoom this week. And happy Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Calling out. Miss you guys.